Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. As you know, I was explaining the chapter Eva's story. Now we will continue that. Mac's wife Helen was quick to laugh but quick to anger too, especially when I broke something, which was often. So Mac's wife name is Helen. Whenever I do something, so she laughs at my activity, but she becomes angry too whenever I break something. I broke the blender when I squeezed 3 tubes of toothpaste and a bottle of glue into it. So what I did, I broke the blender, the mixie blender that I broke. How? I squeezed 3 tubes, 3 tubes of toothpaste plus I and a bottle of glue into it. That's how it got broken. I broke my toes attempting to swing from a lamp fixture on the ceiling. I broke my own toe. How? Because I want to swing from a lamp fixture on the ceiling. That's why I broke my own toe. I broke 46 glasses. Well, it turns out there are many ways to break a glass. So I almost broke a 46 glass. That's how I learned that there are so many ways so that I can break a glass. Every weekend, Mac and Helen drove me to a restaurant where they ordered something for me. So every weekend, because there is a holiday, because every weekend means Saturday, Sunday, it's a holiday for Mac and Helen. So they drove me to a restaurant where I can order anything which I love and I can eat that. I went to a baseball games, to the grocery stores, to a movie theater. So basically, I visited everywhere. I went to a baseball games. I played games. I buy some. I really buy. I go to a grocery store to buy whatever I want. To a movie theater to watch movies. So basically, I visited every place. Even to the circus, I went to a circus as well. They did not have a gorilla because that circus the circus did not have a gorilla like me. I rode a little motorbike and blew out candles on a birthday cake. I also had a motorbike and I celebrate my birthday like humans with the candles and a cake. My life as a human was an exciting one, although my parents would not have approved. Now, approved, it's a highlighted word so that you can see the meaning from here. Approved means thought of something as good, Evan's life as human. So it means my life as a human was an exciting one. Basically, I was enjoying my life as a human, although my parents would not have approved, but my parents didn't think like that. Next is hunger. In my new life as a human, I was well taken care of. So basically, when I was leading my life as a human, so everyone was taking care of me. Yet at night, lying alone in my pajamas, I longed for the cheerful grunts of a play fight and the easy safety of my nearby troops. So basically, I was enjoying my life so much, and but still, sometimes at night, I used to remember my past. I used to remember my forest days. Remember what happened to Tag? I told myself, don't think about the jungle. I used to remember that what happened to Tag, my sister. Then I told myself, just don't think about the jungle, don't think about the path because it is so stressful. Still, sometimes I lay awake wishing for my warmth of another just like me. Still, there are so many sleepless night which I had, and I just don't want to think about that again. Later, Ivan is sent to a shopping mall where he becomes a part of a stationary circus. So after that, because Ivan has properly grown up, so he is sent to the shopping mall. Here he becomes used to humans watching him all the time, and he hardly ever thinks of the jungle. Now there are so many humans come to watch him in the shopping mall. After people begin to protest about Ivan's living condition at the mall, because maybe he was not well taken care of in the shopping mall, so he is adopted by a zoo. Now he is in the zoo. To know more about Ivan and what happens to him, to read the complete novel. So it's a novel. This chapter is adapted from the one and only Ivan. It is written by Catherine Applegate.